welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a long time since I last posted the videos, but the past year has been super busy and I've been focused on managing multiple businesses and also keeping up with life. But today I'm back with a very exciting new videos. I'll be unboxing a very special Chanel bag that I've been eyeing for a long time now. This is a little gift that I bought for myself for all my hard work, and this bag was very difficult to find, that I had to leverage my contact at multiple Chanel boutiques, and after several months Chanel Bergdorf were able to secure this bag for me, and here we are today with the bag. So I hope you enjoy the videos and thank you so much for watching.